When we hold out, this was supposed to be a quick 3-month yard stop routine work, in and out. But like every boat project, the deeper we went, the more we found. What started simple turned into 6 long months of grinding, welding, sanding, painting, and sometimes just holding it all together. There were days we thought we'd never see the end, but now, the end is here. Launch day is just around the corner, and everything we've done, every setback, every step forward, led to this moment. It's pre-launch day, and things are finally coming together. The last section of scaffolding is coming down, giving us a clear view of the hull for the first time in months. The crew is running through final checks, anodes are being installed, and the propeller and shaft are getting their fresh coat of Propspeed. And after half a year out of the water, we finally gave the hull its first proper wash, followed by a quick wax to bring back a bit of shine before she splashes. It's all hands on deck now, because tomorrow, she launches. Guys, today is the big day. It's gonna be the launch day. Exciting. It's still about 8 o'clock in the morning. No one's here yet. I guess I'm the only one that is too excited. I don't know why. And now, the Trabilef is on its way. We wait months for this moment, and then suddenly, everything moves fast. The sling slides under the hull. The crew gets straight to work, securing the straps, checking alignment, and placing padding to protect the paint. This is a critical step. It's not a toy being lifted. It's $1 million yacht. Every detail matters. Then slowly, she starts to rise. For the first time in 6 months, she's off the blocks and in the air. While she's suspended, the antifouling team jumps in to hit the last few patches where the chocks sat. It's nerve-wracking, it's exciting, but more than anything, it's a deep breath of relief. Just before the Trabilef begins to move toward the launch pit, every crew member has to disembark for safety reasons. But spirits are high, and they should be. After all the long days, setbacks, and hard-earned progress, this moment feels monumental. 6 months of blood, sweat, and tears. And now she's finally about to touch water again. And of course, we couldn't let the moment pass without a quick photo, a memory to mark the end of the yard chapter and the beginning of what's next. It's hard to put into words what this moment really means after everything we've been through. 6 months on the hard, countless hours of work, and now she's finally back where she belongs. What you've seen here is just my perspective behind the scenes. So much was happening on the engineering side as well. Massive credit to our engineers they've been working just as hard day in and day out to make this launch possible. To the entire crew, the contractors, the engineers, and everyone who played a part, thank you. And to all you watching and following this journey, we truly appreciate you. The refit chapter is closed. Now it's time to get back to doing what this boat was built for, being out on the water. If you enjoyed following along, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. We're just getting started.